So, you've heard about Bitcoin. Maybe you've seen its price skyrocket, or perhaps you're intrigued by the underlying blockchain technology. Either way, you're thinking about dipping your toes into the crypto world. And, if you're already using Wealthsimple for traditional investments, a natural question arises: can you buy Bitcoin through this popular investment platform? Let's dive in. First off, it's essential to understand what Bitcoin is. It's a digital or virtual currency, secured by cryptography. Unlike traditional currencies, it's decentralized, meaning no government or financial institution controls it. This decentralized nature has made Bitcoin a symbol of financial freedom for many, but it also comes with its fair share of risks. It's incredibly volatile, meaning its value can fluctuate wildly in short periods. Now, back to Wealthsimple. It's a Canadian financial technology company offering various investment services, from robo-advisory to commission-free trading. But does it offer Bitcoin? Well, the answer isn't straightforward. Wealthsimple does offer a platform called Wealthsimple Crypto, specifically designed for buying and selling cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin. So, in a sense, you can buy Bitcoin through Wealthsimple, but it's a separate platform from their traditional investment services. Why the separation? Cryptocurrencies are a different asset class compared to stocks, bonds, and ETFs. They involve higher risks and require different regulatory considerations. By separating crypto trading, Wealthsimple ensures a clear distinction between traditional investments and the more speculative world of crypto. So, if you're interested in buying Bitcoin through Wealthsimple, you'll need to sign up for Wealthsimple Crypto. The process is generally straightforward, similar to opening any other Wealthsimple account. You'll need to provide personal information, go through identity verification, and fund your account. Once that's done, you can buy Bitcoin and other supported cryptocurrencies. But before you dive in headfirst, it's crucial to understand the risks involved. As mentioned earlier, Bitcoin is highly volatile. Its price can fluctuate dramatically in short periods. What's more, the cryptocurrency market is still relatively new and unregulated in many jurisdictions. This means there's a higher level of risk compared to traditional investments. Therefore, it's essential to do your own research and consider your financial situation before investing in Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency. Only invest what you can afford to lose. Another thing to consider is the fees. Wealthsimple Crypto charges a spread, which is the difference between the buying and selling price of a cryptocurrency. While this is a common practice in the crypto industry, it's essential to compare fees with other platforms to ensure you're getting a good deal. So, can you buy Bitcoin through Wealthsimple? Yes, you can, but it's through Wealthsimple Crypto, a separate platform. It's a convenient option for those already using Wealthsimple, but it's essential to understand the risks and fees involved. Cryptocurrency is a complex and rapidly evolving space. What's true today might change tomorrow. Therefore, staying informed is crucial. Keep an eye on news and updates about Bitcoin and the cryptocurrency market in general. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.